Hey, look what's happening outside. Look, it's drizzling. It's so. Look at all of that. Look at it all. You see it? It's so windy. Oh my god. Oh, oh my heart. It came down so fast. Look at it. You see it? Hold on. Look, there's ice on the balcony. Oh, stupid. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, it's windy. It's windy too. Oh my God. It's windy too. Jesus H. Christ. Jesus Christ, I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh God. Oh God, I'm so scared. Wait. Hold on. I'm gonna regret this, but. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is gonna be. Oh, this is gonna be a terrible summer. Yep, it is. Look at all that rain, bro. Look. Oh, look at this ice. Look at it. Look at all this. What the hell? Look at I'm about to sip too. Ugh. Look at all of this. Look at it all. Look at it all. Oh fuck, I win. Fuck. Oh shit, windy too. What is happening, bro? Holy shit. Look at it. Wait. Is it flooding? Oh, it's slowing down. It better. Yeah, it better slow down. It better. Yep, it's slowing down. Thank God. Oh, God, ice everywhere. Oh. Wow. That was scary. That was really scary. Look at it. Look. There's so much ice everywhere. There's leaves on the balcony too. Alright. Slowing. I think it's slowing down. What up? It's kind of slowing down. Oh, that was scary. That was really scary. Well, it's gonna stop soon. That was really, really terrifying. That was really terrifying. And the house was shaking a little too. Alright. We'll stop soon. So, yep. It's over now. Oh, some people are seeing. Most of you are seeing this look. So I saw over the balcony. The leaves too. And it's hot in here. Alright. Alright. Wait, what's going on? Wow, that's a lot of rain. Okay, well, it's gonna be over soon, so yeah. It'll be over soon. Yep, it will. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, well, it stopped. Thank God. Alright. Well, if anyone's seen what just happened,